Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I got this look, and this is just like a for everyday full coverage look. This is like what I would do makeup wise if I was going like out for drinks or going out to dinner. You know, I didn't want to look too much, but I wanted to beat my face. So yeah, this is what I would do, and if you're interested, then keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. All right, so my face is completely moisturized. I have sunscreen on. So I'm going to use this Can't Stop Won't Stop primer by NYX. And I'm going to dab this on my face. And just for some extra oil control, I'm going to get a little bit of my setting powder, my face powder. I'm just gonna dab it on my T-zone. And now I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I'm gonna do about a pump. And I'm just gonna dab it and then blend out with my foundation brush. I'm almost out of concealer, but we're gonna dig in here and make it work. I'm going to blend out with the brush. And now I'm going to set with my Fit Me loose finishing powder in 35 Deep. I really like this powder, it's so good. So now I'm going to go in with my NYX Cheek Contour Duo. I use a lot of NYX, but it's good products and they're pretty affordable. So I'm using my NYX Cheek Contour Duo palette, and I'm gonna use the contour color, of course. This is in Wine and Dine, and I'm just gonna do my nose. I hope your guys' new year has started out good. January is moving on by. Mine is good. It's busy. Last semester grad school, so I can't wait to graduate. Just 4 more months until May, and I can do it. So yeah, I'm excited about that, but it's definitely keeping me busy, which is a good thing. I'm not complaining. It's a lot of work, but it's fine. I'm just gonna like lightly with my Sacha Buttercup powder. So do you guys have any goals this year that you're trying to do? I definitely have some. Of course, to balance everything, working full-time and being in grad school part-time. But I really want to get back into dancing and working out more regularly. So I'm gonna be taking some dance classes soon. And I've been working out and stretching on the regular, which is really good. Like, I can feel the difference in my body. So definitely gonna keep that up. So next I'm going to go in and just contour my face lightly. So now I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place blush palette. And I still have to play around with this. I might do like a review on this and this other eyeshadow palette I got from Juvia's Place. But so far I've had good experience. I'm gonna use this. It's super pigmented, so be careful. I'm not playing when I say that. I'm gonna go into here, dab it off a little bit, and I don't do too much with the blush really, especially for every day, but this is like a really nice orange color, so why not? And I think I'm done with the blush. I think that's good enough. Okay, and so now I'm going to go in and take some highlighter. I think I'm gonna use the Lila color over here and just dab, dab, dab. And We're not gonna go overboard with the highlighter. And I'm going to put some on my nose. Yep. Now I'm going to just blend in this under eye powder that I left setting very lightly. I think I might have gone overboard with the blush, but it's all right. Okay, so now my face is done. So I'm just gonna take the powder that's left in here and just set my face. And I'm going to spray with my Milani Make It Last setting spray. Just gonna use some concealer. And I'm gonna set with my setting spray. I mean, my loose setting powder. I might as well use my other Juvia's Place palette. I just use like a brown color on my crease. I'm gonna use this Fulani down here. I'm gonna use this Burkina color right here. And I'm just gonna put that on my lid. It's a nice neutral color, sort of tannish on the lid. So now I'm going to take this Maybelline Expertwear shadow in Made for Mocha. And don't mind how it looks. It shattered and I had to put alcohol in it and do the alcohol trick to put together. So I'm gonna tap it in here. I'm just gonna put it on my corner to add some depth to my eyes. Ooh, I went a little overboard on this eye, but we're just gonna blend this out a lot to try and cover that up. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to that first brush I used and I'm just gonna blend. I'm just gonna do a really thin line, nothing too crazy. So I'm going to take this City Mini palette, go over my lower lash line. Okay, and now I'm going to just use the same brush. I'm gonna brush it off on a napkin or some tissue. And I'm gonna go in back into this Made for Mocha color, and I'm gonna do the same thing. This is just a black eyeliner from Lord & Berry. I'm just gonna go on my inner waterline. I'm not gonna do it all. I'm just gonna do it in like the outer 1/3 of my waterline. Then I'm going to like smudge it out. So now I'm gonna do my mascara and put on my lashes, and I'll be right back. I'm going to use my MAC Chestnut. It's just a little noob now. I need another one. But we're gonna use this baby until it runs out. So I'm gonna use this Milani color or Milani lipstick in Bahama Beige. This is like not full coverage, like it's not an extremely pigmented lipstick, which is fine. Very moisturizing though. It goes on very smooth. And then I like to just tap the edges of my lips just to blend out the lip liner. I'm gonna top it off with this Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. Hope I'm saying that right. I just always go over with the brush, my face brush. Just like to control the shine. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is my everyday full coverage beat. This is what I would do if I was going out and I wanted to keep it sort of basic but still look nice. So yeah, this is what I would do. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a comment down below, give a thumbs up, and of course subscribe. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.